Hi guys, this is an urgent update regarding the Bitcoin dip. I know a lot of you are new to the crypto market and aren't used to seeing dips like this. I have lots of panicking friends and family members, and people on Twitter are acting as if Bitcoin just fell under 16K. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something you need to hear. Dips are completely normal. This is all totally normal. Just take a deep breath. It'll be okay. Yes, we're still in a raging uptrend. Yes, we're still gonna make new all-time highs this year. Yes, altcoins are still going to run. Guys, none of this is financial advice. I'm just trying to explain what's going on. Crypto is just getting rid of some froth in the market, but that does not mean now is the time to sell. I personally have not sold through any of this. Guys, we're literally still at Bitcoin all-time high right now. I just made a video breaking down where we are in the market. None of the indicators I talked about are showing any signs of danger. The Bitcoin rainbow chart, MVRV, and Pi cycle top are not flashing sell signals, not even close. If you're not familiar with these indicators, I'm gonna link the video here so you can watch it and see what I use. There's something I want to remind you of. Your biggest enemy in crypto is yourself. Your emotions pose a greater threat to your investments than anything else. Your portfolio will go up, your portfolio will go down, but your emotions should remain stable. The voice in your head often tells you to buy at the worst times and sell at the worst times. You should be as logical as you can. You never want to trade with emotions, especially in crypto. Remember, we are confident where our destination is, so the journey doesn't really matter. So good news, guys, you can sit back and relax. There's nothing you need to be doing right now. In the meantime, follow me on Twitter and join our crypto nerd Discord so you can join the community. Thanks for watching.